Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit a check using the Chase mobile app. To deposit a check using the Chase mobile app, you need to sign into the Chase mobile app and tap Pay and Transfer. And select Deposit Checks and choose the account where you want your deposit to go and enter the deposit amount. And tap Front and take a photo of the front of the check. Endorse your check, then tap Next. And then take a photo of the back of the check. And once you have captured photos of your check, review the deposit amount and check details. Then select Next and Deposit to confirm. And after you submit, you will receive an email when Chase receives your deposit and another when it's accepted or, if applicable, rejected with an explanation. And after depositing, you need to write deposited and the date on the front of the check and keep the check for at least 2 business days or until Chase confirms the deposit have been accepted, then securely destroy it. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.